bot can be used as a virtual assistant over a phone. In this example, the bot can answer several types of inquiries like account balance, account statement, or report a fraud or a lost card. Note that no IVR, hardware or software is needed. Let us call our virtual assistant on phone. Welcome to your favorite bank. Please say in your own words how we could help you.
I would like to report a fraud transaction.
Let me try to connect you to a fraud consultant. Please hold.
This department handles investigating fraudulent transactions. Please wait and one of our representatives will be with you shortly. Please press 1 to continue or press 2 to exit.
Hello there. Welcome to your favorite bank. Please say in your own words how we could help you.
Tell me my account balance.
Sure. Tell me your customer identification number.
123456.
Got it. Please enter your 6-digit phone banking password. Okay, let me check. Hello, John. Your balance is £5,000. Thank you.